Alright, so I made it into the studio. It's above freezing today, and I'm going to see how long I can work out here, because it's above freezing, but it's still only like 40 degrees in the studio. And I'm going to try and get some of this foiling. My brain doesn't work sometimes. Foiling done. And big shout out to my friend Steve, who told me about this tabletop foiler. Toiler. Because it does save time. I'm kind of surprised. I didn't think I was going to like it, really. But on the bigger pieces, it does, like my handy glove, it does save time. And I've tried to use it on small pieces, and it doesn't really, I can't get my fat little fingers up there close enough to do small pieces, so small pieces still come off the roll. And of course, this is textured glass, so it's a little trickier to make sure everybody's smooshed down good. That's okay. I will not bore you with a long video of me foiling, because I'm sure everybody has seen foiling at some point in time. And to me, I like it because it's relaxing. But I'm sure watching a video, it is boring. And that didn't line up right, but I'll catch it on the other side. We'll do a trim on that. So, it's really not that bad out here. It's just my feet get cold on this concrete where I don't have a pad down. And at my desk, I don't have a pad down. Guess I need to trim my scraps too. But anyhow, I just wanted to check in with everybody. I am working on the commission fleur-de-lis stained glass piece. And she actually had originally wanted me to do it, I think with the resin, but I'd never done the resin before. So since we've been all cooped up in the house with the weather, I've been watching a ton of YouTube videos, and I watched some on doing resin, so I think I can figure that out now. And I've watched a ton of mosaic videos because I really want to try that. I've got so many small scraps to use up, and so soon I will post me doing mosaic, and it will be let's learn as we go. So there will be a lot of comedy, I'm sure, but I have a couple of indoor pieces, substrates that I can use to try. And then I do have some Go board, and have this dream of making a sign with my studio name to put outside. I'm just checking this one real quick. Now see, this is where this is fun. You go, and I mean, I know it's not hard to do it by hand. You don't need this, but it is kind of fun, and it is a time saver. And my friend Steve, that I know from when Steven, from when I was at the coast, he doesn't go by Steve, he's Steven. He was actually my manager for a while when I worked for this one company down there in Wilmington, but I didn't know he did stained glass too. And then we got to talking on chat and Facebook and stuff about glass, and he didn't know that I was doing kiln glass, because I did fused glass for the longest time before I started trying stained glass or now mosaic. And so we just chatted back and forth, and he told me about this, and I'm glad he did. But I'm not going to bore you, like I said. So I'm sorry I'm off camera with that one. I'm going to keep foiling. All my pieces that are left are the pretty easy ones. They're all the rectangular borders, and this is just one of the interior borders. So anyhow, I'll be back in touch soon, I promise. I'll get to the video for the soldering. Maybe that'll be fun. Talk to you soon. Bye. Alright, here's the end. We did manage to get the foiling done. So tomorrow or sometime this week when it's warmer is solder. But there's a boo-boo right there, isn't it? I may have to recut these two pieces because I didn't realize that ended up being such a huge gap. What happened? This is just a little shy. So maybe I need to make this one a little bit longer. It's got a gap too. I might have to do a little bit of recutting. I tried doing it a different way this time. I didn't cut out all my pieces like I did here for the sides. I tried doing cut it directly over the cartoon, and I guess I'm too short to be directly over. Let me check that out, and maybe I got a few repairs to make first. Okay, that's it.